Hello. Hey, this is Brenna Pavlinchek for Visual Frameworks 1210 session. I guess that's what you'd say. This is project 1. As you see, obviously, I just committed my last changes. Okay, so reflect back on what I've accomplished, analyze how I did. I actually think I did really well. I used to play with HTML back when it was, I don't know, years ago when it was in MySpace. I'd actually sit there and change it myself, go through the code, read the code, change it myself, change the numbers, everything. So that part was easy. Once I actually figured out what I was doing and I wrote down the code, it just kind of flew together. And it didn't take that long. I can kind of show you. So, obviously here is my Raven's dog grooming, Raven's nickname. It's a dog grooming app where you can check your dog in to be groomed. And I guess I've heard that we're going to be working on this for about 6 months. So, I guess we'll see where it takes me. And then, obviously get checked in. You can check in your dog to get groomed. The reason I chose this was we have 5 dogs at my house, all of which have to get groomed once in a while. And it'd be totally awesome if, PetSmart had a grooming app. So you could be like, oh, hey, here's a dog, checked in. Hey, come pick him up, stuff like that. So, I go to the check-in. And I separate it into 2 different spaces, because obviously you need the spaces. You have, your owner's first name, the last name, the phone number, and the email address to be contacted. Of course, you need the dog's name, what kind of dog. I just put a few different ones that I know. I'll probably put a lot more later. Of course, what gender is your dog, male or female? When you're going to be picking up your dog. How large is your dog? And are there any special requests? So pretty much that's it. And then of course I have the check-in button and the clear, stored, and display data. Here's my code. It didn't take me all that long. I'm quite happy with it. For the date thing, I tried looking everywhere, Googling it, everything for the arrow thing that Chad showed us in the video. And I couldn't find anything in the book, in the videos, on trying to find stuff on Google, nothing. So I'm going to admit it's not in there. I know I'll probably get points off, but I tried to do what I could. I did figure out the slider, and I actually got to add a word above the slider, but that's about it for everything. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I guess I'll see you next week.